warm welcome to Super Grads. Last time we had discussed about top 10 colleges that you should be targeting through NMAT. Today I've brought a glimpse of overall NMIMS Mumbai का पूरा डिटेल में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि कॉलेज का एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है, व्हाट इज द फीस ऑफ डिफरेंट NMIMS कैंपसेस, उनका कट ऑफ क्या है, फाइनल सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया क्या होता है, प्लेसमेंट स्टैटिस्टिक्स क्या है ऑफ ऑल द MBA programs that NMIMS offers. So today we will be discussing everything about NMIMS Mumbai plus the other NMIMS campuses that we have. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. तो सबसे पहले तो अगर मैं एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया की बात करूं फॉर द program MBA, that is the flagship program that the college has, NMIMS Mumbai has. So uska eligibility criteria is that you need to be a graduate. Of course, that is the major eligibility criteria. Graduation तो आपका होना चाहिए. अभी आप अपने फाइनल ईयर ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन में हो तो आप NMAT लिख सकते हो. अगर आपका ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट हो गया है तो भी आप NMAT दे सकते हो, but graduation is a must with at least 50% in any discipline from a recognized university, plus you need to give NMAT. So yes, if you're targeting NMIMS Mumbai and other NMIMS institutes, then you need to give NMAT, and NMAT के registrations भी open हैं. So make sure you fill the form on time so that you get योर डिजायर्ड स्लॉट और आपको आपका स्लॉट और आपका जो सेंटर जो आपको चाहिए आपकी सिटी में वो मिले. तो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि आप जल्दी से जो फॉर्म फिलिंग का प्रोसेस है उसको कंप्लीट कर दो. आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ डिटेल्ड वीडियो ऑन द फॉर्म फिलिंग एज वेल, यू कैन चेक दैट आउट ऑन द चैनल. नेक्स्ट, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट MBA HR की अगर मैं बात करूं, सेम क्राइटेरिया है. ग्रेजुएशन किसी भी डिसिप्लिन में हो सकता है विद अ मिनिमम 50% in any discipline from a recognized university, plus you need your NMAT score here as well. Now they have other programs as well. They do have another program in MBA in business analytics जिसमें you need to have graduation in engineering, mathematics, statistics, commerce, economics with at least 55% एग्रीगेट. यहाँ पे जो आपका एग्रीगेट स्कोर है आपकी ग्रेजुएशन का थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज्ड है. 55% इज द एग्रीगेट स्कोर दैट दे आर टेकिंग. प्लस हियर आल्सो यू नीड टू गिव NMAT. NMAT का स्कोर इज एक्सेप्टेड. Next they have is MBA in digital transformation. Now here engineering, MCA, BSc, IT, BSc computer science, electronics, physics, maths, any graduate degree with mathematics with a minimum of 55% aggregate. Now यहाँ पे digital transformation में it is important that you should be a student from a maths background. Only then you will get a call for this particular program. Again, NMAT का score यहाँ भी mandatory है. Next and the last program that we have in the NMIMS Mumbai campus is MBA in pharmaceutical management. Now here you need to have a degree in pharmacy. Now, life sciences, medical technology, biotechnology, MBBS, BDS, and all these degrees which are given over here, इनमें से अगर आपका कोई degree है, only then you can apply to this particular program or you would be getting a call for this particular program. Again, NMAT का score यहाँ भी mandatory है, but 50% aggregate score होना चाहिए आपका graduation में. So these are the programs that we discussed which are there in the NMIMS Mumbai campus. Next, let us look at the fees of NMIMS Mumbai programs and the other NMIMS campuses that we have in the country. MBA जो flagship program है मुंबई में, NMIMS मुंबई में, उसके फीस की बात करूं तो it is 24 lakhs for 2 years approx. That is the fees. Next, MBA HR का भी same है, approx 24 lakhs for 2 years. Next, MBA in business analytics is 10 lakhs. Now, this is not a proper 2-year program. It is a program of probably 18 months. तो उसका फीस 10 lakhs को जाता है. Next, MBA digital transformation, the fees is 20 lakhs. MBA pharmaceutical management, the fees is 16 lakhs. Now, last that we have is जो 4 campuses हैं NMIMS के. Now सिर्फ मुंबई में नहीं है, you have a campus in Bangalore, you have a NMIMS campus in Navi Mumbai, Hyderabad and Indore. तो अगर बैंगलोर की बात करूं तो the fees is 20 lakhs. If I talk about Navi Mumbai, the fees is 21 lakhs. Hyderabad का fees, NMIMS Hyderabad का fees is 21 lakhs and Indore का fees is around 18 lakhs. So this is the fee structure of NMIMS Mumbai and other NMIMS campuses. Now, let us look at the placement statistics as well. Now, this is the recent placement report of NMIMS Mumbai, जो 2022 से लेके 2024 बैच जो अभी प्लेस हुआ है रिसेंट में, वो प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट है. एंड दिस इज द प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट ऑफ MBA कोर, एज इन जो मेन प्रोग्राम है, फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम है MBA का, उसका प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट है. हाईएस्ट पैकेज वेंट अराउंड 67.7 LPA. The average went around 25.13 LPA. Now here total recruiters that came to the campus were 168, which means 72 were the new recruiters. And if I talk about the batch play that was placed through PPOs, as in pre-placement offers, so 37% of the batch was placed through PPOs. Next, let us also look at the placement statistics of other programs in NMIMS Mumbai. So यहाँ पे अगर मैं बात करूँ highest package की, तो it was around 26.49 LPA for MBA in technology, जो tech वाला प्रोग्राम है, जो डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वाला प्रोग्राम और एनालिटिक्स वाले प्रोग्राम की हम बात कर रहे थे. So the highest went around 26.49 LPA. 21 LPA was for B Pharma plus MBA. MBA अगर आप B Pharma हो plus MBO, and if you're pursuing MBA in pharmaceutical management, so this was the package. M Pharma plus MBA का जो package था, that was 13.20 LPA. And if we talk about the HR program, so HR का भी placement is good over here. Highest package went around 25.02 LPA for MBA and HR. Now, if we look at the average packages of, again, the same programs, so 10.70 LPA is the average package for MBA in tech. 9 LPA was for B Pharma plus MBA, and for M Pharma plus MBA, it was 7.50 LPA. So this is the average package of these three programs. And if we talk about HR, MBA and HR, so the average package went around 18.64 LPA. Next, and the very important thing as of now that we have to focus on NMAT thoroughly. So it's not just that you're preparing for CAT. I understand that a lot of students might not be doing well in CAT as well, and they might be considering other options like giving exams like NMAT, SNAP. You must consider, in fact, I would suggest this thing to all the aspirants out there, all the CAT aspirants out there who are giving CAT this year. You should be keeping your options open. For that, you must fill NMAT का form, NMIMS Mumbai का form, SNAP का form. You should fill that so that you are prepared for the backup options as well. Now let us look at the cutoffs for NMAT for all the programs, the Mumbai campus and the other campuses. So if we talk about NMIMS Mumbai, the flagship program, main MBA program, तो उसका cutoff 230 plus जाता है for NMAT. Now this is the expected cutoff, the cutoff that we can expect this year. MBA HR की अगर मैं बात करूं, so 230 plus. MBA Business Analytics 220 plus. MBA Digital Transformation 220 plus again. MBA in Pharmaceutical Management, it is 180 plus. Now all these cutoffs that I mentioned, they are for the Mumbai campus. Then we have the Bangalore campus, जिसका cutoff 220 plus जाता है. MBA Navi Mumbai, the cutoff is around 220 plus. MBA Hyderabad 200 plus should be your target. For MBA Indore, that is NMIMS Indore, the cutoff goes around 200 plus. So these are the cutoffs as per the previous trends that we have observed, जो 2023 के NMIMS के cutoffs थे, NMAT के cutoffs थे, या जो 2022 के NMAT के cutoffs थे, उनके basis पे. Again, another important thing I have mentioned in previous videos as well, whenever you're giving your first NMAT attempt, please ensure कि आप उसको अच्छे से दें, क्योंकि colleges like NMIMS Mumbai and KJ Somaiya will only accept your first attempt score. So make sure whenever you're planning to give your first attempt, whether it is before CAT or after CAT, you should be giving it wisely, properly, well prepared होके जाना है आपने. Next, let us understand the final selection criteria also. अब बहुत सारे students के mind में ये भी confusion होता है कि मेरा पास्ट एकेडमिक उतना अच्छा नहीं है, सो कॉलेजेस लाइक दीज वुड दे गिव मच वेटेज टू माय पास्ट एकेडमिक्स आल्सो और नॉट. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड कि वेटेज किस चीज को कितना दिया जाता है. सो इफ वी अंडरस्टैंड द एनमैट स्कोर, 60% वेटेज इज गिवन टू द एनमैट स्कोर ओवर हियर. सो मैक्सिमम जो आपका वेटेज दिया जा रहा है यहाँ पे एनमैट को दिया जा रहा है. सो योर टारगेट फॉर NMIMS Mumbai has to be 240 and above, 250 and above, because that is the highest that we can expect over here if we are targeting NMIMS Mumbai. Next, Watson Glaser test. So there is a test that happens in NMIMS campuses. So ये टेस्ट बेसिकली आपकी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग को और उन सारी चीजों को जज करता है. सो उसका 10% वेटेज होता है. नेक्स्ट यू हैव दैट ऑल्सो ओवर हियर. रिटन एबिलिटी टेस्ट भी होता है विच इज जनरली केस बेस्ड. ज्यादातर ये केस बेस्ड रहता है. ये MCQ बेस्ड रहेगा. So the Watson Glaser test, I have forgot to mention, it will be a MCQ based test which will test your critical thinking skills, your logic and everything. Here it will be mostly case based. Again, 10% weightage है इसका. Personal interview also has 10% weightage. And if I talk about work experience, your achievements, your extracurriculars for freshers, so uska weightage 5% hai. Your past academic records, so they've mentioned a separate column for this. Past academic records or co-curricular achievements ka 5% weightage hai. So total comes to 100%. So as you can see over here, now even if your past academics are not that great, that is not in your hands, but all these things are in your hands, guys. That is your personal interview, your VAT, the test that you will give over there, the Watson Glaser test, and the NMAT score is in your hands. You have to make sure you make the best out of this particular opportunity, and you have to make sure कि आप अपना best दो NMAT में. Okay, so that was all from my side. If you want to stay updated with more such information with regards to B schools and with regards to different entrance exam preparation, CAT का preparation अगर और solid करना है, so make sure that you subscribe to our Telegram channel also, because daily we are putting up questions for you guys which will be challenging you to do better in your preparation. So make sure that you scan this particular QR code and you subscribe to our Telegram channel. You can also follow us on Instagram, and you do subscribe to the YT channel as well. As you know, right now we are having a PYQ series going on related to QA, in which we are covering all the 480 PYQs across the years from 2017 to 2023. So if you're here on the channel for the very first time, please ensure कि आप subscribe करो. And if you have any doubts with regards to any entrance exam, any particular college, any query, then do let us know in the comment section below. Till then, stay tuned to Supergrads.